Welcome back to
Cooking Up a Storm! Okay, Danish. Looks like I've prepared all your ingredients here, and the weather looks like it's gonna get dark, so it's just nice to prepare a nice dinner. However, I'm so curious about your sardine here. So maybe you can explain to me what you're gonna prepare?
Alright, so actually sardine is my main ingredient for the masak lemak cili api.
Okay, so what else do we need?
Alright, so these are the ingredients. The first we have coconut milk for about 4 cups.
Okay.
Potatoes for about 3 pieces.
Okay.
So this one, I already blend the chili api and some fresh turmeric for about half cup.
Okay.
Red onion for about around 10 grams.
Alright.
Lemongrass. Tamarind slice
Okay.
for about 2 pieces.
2 pieces.
Okay. Alright, so next we have the bamboo starfruit
Okay.
for about around 200 grams.
This is what they call it belimbing, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
In Malay, we just call it belimbing budo. Okay. And the most important ingredient,
Your
sardine.
Sardine, yes.
so the bread for the side dish.
I am so curious. Okay.
Oh yeah, and for seasoning, I'm using some salt.
Okay, so let's start the process.
So the first step, in a wok, we
Right.
just put the coconut milk
Okay.
all in. Red onion,
You don't stir fry yet?
no saute, no stir fry.
Oh,
And then the chili api,
this is the chili api
Yeah.
and the turmeric, right?
that's right. This is the half. So we're gonna put the lemongrass in
Inside?
and the potatoes. Okay, so right now we're gonna turn on the heat.
It is a one-pot dish. Nice.
It's very simple.
Yeah.
Trust me. Okay, so let it sit for a while until the potato cook.
Okay.
Alright, so while waiting for this one, we're gonna cut the bread.
Okay. Are you making garlic bread with masala lemak?
No.
Okay.
Not today.
Suddenly I'm like drooling.
It should be enough. Right. Alright, after 15 minutes, let me check the potatoes. Can you give me the fork?
Why do you want to check the potatoes? To see if it's cooked?
Yeah.
Oh, you can just piece it
Yeah.
easily. Ah,
See?
okay.
So means it's already cooked.
Alright.
So right now we're gonna put,
The sardine.
The sardine?
Oh my god.
right, we're gonna put all in.
Can I help you to stir it?
Alright, you have to stir it very gently. We don't want the fish to be mushy and break the
Okay.
fish.
So you want it to be solid like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. So right now we're gonna put the tamarind slice in.
Okay.
Okay.
We're
Alright,
gonna put-
starfruit bamboo.
Okay, the smell starts to be really good.
I think we should add some water.
Alright.
Just a little bit of water. Alright.
So how long do we need to let it boil?
For about at least 1 to 2 minutes.
Oh, it's almost done then.
Yeah, it's almost done. So right now we're gonna season with some salt. Okay, so close the fire
And it's done.
and it's done.
Okay, nice. Okay, so time for plating.
Put some potatoes. Some fish. Alright. And I will serve with the bread.
Nice.
Alright. So, my masak lemak cili api